Good day everyone, thanks for joining me for Origami with Miss Cynthia. This week I will show you how to create a flower. To create this beautiful delicate flower you will need to fold a petal 5 times to bloom it. Let's get started. The supplies you will need is 5 sheets of paper, glue or some tape, and a pair of scissors. Once you selected your sheet of paper, I'm going to bring one end to the bottom and fold a triangle. You're going to cut off this side here, just like this. So open up your sheet of paper, and we need a plus sign in the middle, so go ahead and fold it like this. And then go ahead and open it up. So now what we need to do next is fold it into a kite fold. So you're going to bring both of the edges to that center fold, just like this. Now that top triangle, bring it down, and we're just going to bring it down to create a crease. Now open all your flaps open and bring this triangle down again. Now make sure this next step will be easy if both of your triangle points are facing downwards or facing you. You're going to bring the edge of this side of paper, bring it all the way over to that center fold like this. Make sure you crease it really nice and good there. Do the same thing to the other side. So bring this whole entire side over to that center crease, just like this. So you should end up with a square. So after this step, you're going to fold the entire sheet in half, so your flaps will be on the outside, like this. So flip your whole model so the triangle is facing to the left. You're going to open up the flap. This corner, you're going to bring it to that. There's going to be a folding here that you're going to bring that side into that center fold, just like this. Now this whole entire piece over here to your right hand side, you're going to bring it and connect it to that center fold. And on the bottom you have a little pocket that you're going to tuck it inside, just like this. Now go ahead and swing over your triangle that you just folded, and do the same thing to this bottom portion of that bottom square here. Bring this to that center crease, and you're going to swing that over again. So on the other side, you're going to have kind of like a little pocket, and this is one of your petals. Now you're going to need a total of 5 of these foldings, so go ahead and pause the video, and we're going to come back to, and I'm going to show you how to put your petal pieces together for the flower. So once you have all 5 of your pieces of your petals all folded, you're going to grab 2 of your petals, and you want to put glue on the very top sides of them and glue them together like this. So I'm going to show you. You're going to put glue on the top side, and you're going to grab your other petal, and you're going to connect them on the very top, just like this. Now you're going to go around and connect all 5 of your petals. So put some glue on the very top, and the opening is going to face outside, and you're going to glue it together like this. I'm going to do it one more time. And you can use glue for this. You can also use some tape, double-sided tape. And then let's glue that last one. So the last one's a little bit tricky because you do have to put it on these last 2 petals to glue them together. So it's easier if you just put some glue on the top side like we were on both petals there. And you're going to connect one of your petals like we were before, like this, and And you're just going to swing this last petal over to connect the last one. Just like this. And there you go. Here is your flower. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you next week for more origami fun.